everyone, today we're making a simple pair of leather greaves. Follow along as we go through each step to craft these durable leg guards. Let's get started. First, we need to prepare our leather. Here I'm using the leathers indicated in the instructions, mostly 7 to 9 ounce veg tan, cut to pattern specifications. Remember to make sure to read the instructions and refer to this visual on screen to measure the straps to fit you perfectly. Once cut, bevel and burnish the edges for a clean finish. There are two different builds for this project in your pattern. Shown here, we are making the hidden strap option as to show off the stamping, so make sure you cut your pieces and collect your hardware according to the design you prefer. This leather was stamped with our Dragon Scale brass stamp. Check your local store or online to get your own. Collect all of the materials that you need, including leather and hardware. And not pictured here, you will also need basic sewing materials, including needle, thread, and hole punches. Next, we install our hardware. I'm using center bar buckles for security and a clean fit. If you're adding decorative studs or other hardware embellishments, now is the time to install those as well. I start by locking the buckles into place with a single rivet. Complete this for all of the buckles on both of your greaves. Now let's attach the straps. Feed them through the holes and secure them with rivets. Make sure they're positioned for a snug but comfortable fit. There, again, are two different builds for this project. One does not require rivets as the straps feed all the way around the leg, so in some cases, you can skip this step. Handy tip, make sure to check your orientations for hardware and leather before finalizing any hardware settings so you don't have to go back and correct any mistakes. With the main piece done, let's add the foot guard. Line it up at the bottom edge and punch stitching holes along the seam. You'll need holes punched in the bottom of your greave body and through the foot guard. I'm using a saddle stitch for added strength, but take your time and make sure your stitches are even no matter which stitch you're using. I also recommend using a clip of some sort to hold your pieces positioned correctly and make this process of hand sewing a little bit easier. And that's it for your first one. Now we need to repeat the process for the other leg. And there you have it, a solid pair of leather greaves just in time for this year's Ren Faire season. Customize them to fit your style and you're ready to hit the field. Tag us on social with #LeatherTogether so we can celebrate your projects too. And remember, if you liked this build, don't forget to like and subscribe for more leathercraft tutorials. See you next time, and as always, happy crafting!